Today at Bellmetric, we're going to teach you about our ABA Mini S10 screw clamps. These galvanized steel clamps are perfect for high-pressure applications, including rubber hose connections. S10 clamps have versatile combi slot drives, which allow for installation using different tools, including slotted and Phillips screwdrivers or a 7mm socket via the external hex head. The band tongue that fits under the hose is profiled for additional strength. The nut is secured to the clamp, making installation easier. The listed maximum diameter for each clamp is stamped on the band. On Bellmetric.com, you can find the full clamping range as determined by our in-house measurements. Here is a demonstration of installing an S10 clamp. These clamps are perfect for industries like automotive, industrial, and many more for secure fluid transfer in small, thin-walled hoses. Bellmetric.com carries these 9mm bandwidth clamps in a variety of sizes. You can find these clamps on Bellmetric.com here.